So this is my really simple recipe for fried noodles with vegetables. So we kind of have this in Mauritius and you can get this everywhere, most restaurants. Really simple. I've just got some chives, some carrots, some peppers, some garlic, some Pak Choi as well in there, and I've got some soy sauce, coconut sugar and some rapeseed oil. And also some sweet corn as well on the side. So what kind of veggies that you have in your fridge that you kind of just want to bung in, use up. So this is a great dish to do at home, especially kids love it. So I start off in the pan, some oil. My wok is somewhere, I can't seem to find it, but so I'm using a saucepan at the moment. So shallow saucepan, medium to high heat, add in all my crunchy peppers and carrots in there as well, and the garlic. So it's kind of a highish temperature, so just kind of mix everything well together, and you don't want to lose the crunchiness completely in this dish. So I'm not going to overcook the veggies, but it's just kind of quick cooking, something you can do in like 15-20 minutes. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to chop up my Pak Choi as well. So these have just got delivered this week. So I just thought this is a great vegetable to use, and I love using them in stir fries. So I kind of use the stalks as well. So I don't waste it, and I love it. Kind of gives it a bit of crunch as well to the leaves. So I had the stalks in kind of early so that it cooks down a bit. And it takes a little bit longer than the leaves anyway, so kind of add that in with your crunchy vegetables early on. You can use other spring greens as well, that's fine. So I did sweet corn, so just a tin of sweet corn I had left over in the fridge, so added that in as well for a bit of sweetness in there, a little bit of crunch as well. So at this point I would put in my noodles. So to start with, I just literally kind of boiled some water, plonked my vermicelli noodles in, and these were like whole grain vermicelli noodles, dried in a dried packet. Put them in for about 4 to 5 minutes, just left them in the hot water, and then they were kind of reinvigorated, and then you mix it into your stir fry and add in your soy sauce and just kind of mix it all in. So the noodles are already cooked, so all you need to do is just kind of mix it all really well with all the vegetables and carrots and stuff. So soy sauce is a good one to use. If I had sweet chili sauce, that would be perfect to add in as well, just for a little bit of a kick in there. So it's quite a bit of soy sauce, but it kind of goes a long way in this dish. So if you've got light soy sauce or dark, that's fine. And I added in a bit of coconut sugar in there just to bring out some sweetness. So you mix in there, added in the veg towards the end, or the Pak Choi, and some eggs. So I did about 3 eggs for this dish. So it's just like for the 3 of us at home. So I did like a couple of eggs. And I kind of didn't want to wash up too much soil, did it in the same pan. Just move over the noodles to the side, reduce the heat a bit so the noodles don't go crazy and burn. And then just let the egg cook a bit, and use my spatula or something just to kind of cook that up a bit. Almost like not too scramble it, or if you prefer, you can do it separately as an omelette beforehand, chop it up. If you want to be super neat and precise about stuff, that you can do that, that's fine. I just wanted to just put it all in one pan, so it was like less washing up for me. So I just mixed that all in, and I kind of like the egg in there as well because it gives it a nice little bit of a dimension to the flavour. It's not just veg, there's a bit of egg in there and as well. So just mix that all up, and this literally took a couple of minutes of cooking, 10 minutes at the most. So at this point, I'd probably add some chili flakes in if you like a bit of spice, but because our little one's having it as well, left it at this point. And then chives go in there, or if you've got spring onion at the end, that's great. And then when it's done, you can just serve it with more chillies sauce or fresh chillies, chopped chillies on there, chili flakes, which we use as well. So we just whacked on some chili flakes, and then kids can have it with ketchup or sweet chili sauce as well, sriracha. It's so good, really delicious, really quick to make. So I hope you guys try and make this at home, give it a go, tell me what you think, and I'll speak to you soon.